Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got the Prelude with me. I'm actually going over to the exhaust shop to throw on a new muffler. Got it right here. New muffler is gonna be pretty sweet. Hell yeah. I'm fucking with you guys. This is a eBay muffler, but it's kind of, it's just a cheap, ready style 4-inch tip muffler. So I'm gonna throw that on, or I'm gonna have Lou's Custom Exhaust throw that on. On the topic of the Prelude, the two outermost taillights I've seemed to have successfully sealed. They're not leaking. The center one, I can't get it to work. I ended up actually going on eBay, picking up a new used 3rd gen Prelude taillight for the center. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for some F30 content. I do have a mod I'm gonna be doing probably tomorrow. I also got officially sponsored. I'm gonna be announcing that once the parts come in for the F30, but the F30 got sponsored and I'm stoked. All right, just pull it up now. Lou's Custom Exhaust. Going in, guys. She's going under the knife. If you guys need anything, head to Lou's Custom Exhaust here in North Reading. They'll hook you up. They did the Beamer and they did now my Prelude, and it sounds awesome. So I'm gonna get some revs for you guys later. I'm not sure how well you guys will be able to actually hear it in the car, but it's definitely louder. It's a nice low, not droney tone, but just a nice low rumble. I did come with a silencer that I can put in it if I decide it's a little too loud. I'm not really sure how much of a difference that's gonna make. I'll try and get some revs for you later once I get out of work. Yeah, I love it. I love modding cars. It's so fun. I can't wait to get this Prelude looking nice and cosmetically pleasing and get wheels and coilovers and whatnot. But for now, like, it definitely sounds like a Honda. It's no F30, but for an 88, it's pretty cool.
2 hours later.
Finally out of work, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the exhaust before we get home because the sun's going down. I don't think it's gonna be up by the time I get there. So let's go take a look at it. It's got the 4-inch tip right there. The muffler itself is just attached to the stock cap back, which is, I believe, 2-inch piping, and they just added a 2.5-inch right there, adding onto the muffler. So it's decent. It's better than what was on there because before it was rusty and just looked like crap. But sounds pretty good. Quick heads up, I did put on the yellow film for the headlights. I don't know, it kind of looks good as far as like a 90s, 80s retro car. I'll keep you guys posted on the taillight situation when I get that installed, and hopefully we can put this whole trunk leak behind us. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Comment down below if you have any other mod ideas that you want to see. Subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.